Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 12 calls. My name is Ankit and today we have a question about South Indian Bank. How to trade a flag pattern in the South Indian Bank, and we'll look into that. But before that, my standard disclaimer. This is only educational video. Always check with your financial advisor before doing any equity investment, as always subject to risk. All the information used in video is available in the public domain. A word about me. So first thing we look into long-term chart. This is around 3-year plus of data of South Indian Bank, and we see lot of consolidation. And last time around 18 months before, it took a major resistance at this 14 rupees. So first thing we were expecting it to face a resistance again at 14 rupees, but it's already broken 14 rupees and it's currently trading above 14 rupees. Okay, so, and now what happens if it's trade above 14 rupees and does not breaks below 14 rupees continuously, then we should have a next resistance level here at this point, which is 18. And if you look into Ichimoku, there is another resistance coming around 19. So 18 rupees, 19 rupees are resistance level. So from this price, we can expect if it stays above this 14 rupees, then technically the next target comes out to be 19 rupees. Okay. Also we look RSI is highly overbought, so we should expect some consolidation around this range. This movement is not going to happen soon. The share may go for consolidation for a few weeks, 4 to 6 weeks, and then may start a fresh movement here. Okay, in order to understand that, we'll look next chart. This is our daily chart of South Indian Bank, and here we can see again RSI on daily chart also highly overbought. Okay, and if you look into this particular pattern, this pattern is called flag pattern. You see this, the pole and this flag. Okay, and then when you see this is your first breakout, when share break from this 8-9 rupees range, went up to 10 plus, again consolidated here, and this point started moving. So this is your bottom of the flag. Okay, so from this point around 10 rupees it went till 15. So this is like nearly 5 rupees of movement. So this is how flag works. So like if it stays in this range, okay, so ideally it should not break 14 rupees, and if technically somebody buying here, he should keep a stop around 13.5 rupees. Okay, so buy around 14 rupees, and then one can keep a stop maybe 5-7% below here around 13.2 or 13.5. okay, and from this after some consolidation, we should expect this fresh upside, and this upside should be similar to this point, which is around 5 rupees. So from 14 rupees we expect 5 rupees movement, which is around 19 rupees. So from 14 rupees we still see a nearly 30-35% upside. Okay, and that's not going to come tomorrow. This is going to take some time. So this consolidation may be 4 to 6 weeks, so which is around 1.5 month of time. And from this point, this movement may take around maybe 2 to 3 months of time. So we should expect this movement in roughly around 4 to 6 months of time. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. जय हिंद, जय भारत.